we're going to talk about this. Very important. The mouth is very important because it's a place where all the tissues get rejuvenated really quick, and that's why is the oil pulling so important. Because if you have any canker sores, if you have any sores, if you have any problem really in your mouth, and then you do this, it's amazing. But that's if you are having something, then you do this. But if you do it every day, it's to prevent things from happening in your mouth. This has herbs that are amalaki, for example, that is high in vitamin C. So it's going to be incredible antioxidant for the body and anti-inflammatory. It has turmeric, which also amazing for the gums and to prevent inflammation in the gums. It has mangista, which helps to clean the blood. It has so many herbs. I will have to have like 10 minutes to be able to talk about what is in here. But the results that I have with this oil is incredible. But one of the things that you have to do every day is that I recommend is to do gandusha, which means oil pulling. So you can do it. The first thing that I recommend is also to do some tongue scraping. So the tongue scraper, stainless steel or copper. I really like the copper more because it helps to kill the bacteria faster. So what you have to do is just go back to the back of your tongue and then just go like 5 or 6 times, and that will bring kind of the mucus and the bacteria that is accumulated during the night. And it's very important to do that first thing in the morning. And then you rinse it and clean it and then put it again and do it every morning. Then after you do that, then you do the oil pulling. And the oil pulling is very simple. You take this and then you pull it, and then you fill up 1 cup, and then you put it just 1 mouthful of the oil in your mouth, and then you start pulling it, moving to all the different parts of your mouth. And this has sesame oil, which is really important because it has linoleic acid, and it has coconut oil. And the coconut oil also is an antibacterial. So that's why we have these two, and the sesame oil has the calcium, which is going to help the teeth. So that's why it's important to do this, to keep our mouth in a healthy way and preventing the cavities from moving and the gums to be good. After you do this, so it's important that after you pull, then you speed it, not in the sink because it's gonna clog it because of the coconut oil. So please put it in your trash can. And then after that, I recommend to do a little bit of warm water and salt. And then you just switch it around. And what this does is the salt with the warm water is gonna clean all the bacteria and leave your teeth clean. After that, because you have done this suction, what it does, it creates some movement of mucus. So what I recommend is to do a little bit of warm water. And the warm water, what it does, it just comes down and it helps to kind of dissolve all the mucus. And then you have an incredible start of the day to prevent anything, even from sicknesses, to come to your body. I hope you enjoy it, and be careful to not spill in your clothes because it has a little bit of turmeric and mangista.